In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project on Todoist. Managing your tasks efficiently often means decluttering your workspace from time to time. This might involve getting rid of projects that are no longer relevant or have been completed. If you're using Todoist as your go-to task management tool, you might find yourself in need of deleting a project to keep your list fresh and focused. Let's walk through the process. First, let's start by logging into your Todoist account. Head over to the Todoist website and click on the login button. This will bring you to the login page where you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you're entering the email associated with your Todoist account to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your email, the next step is to type in your password. Make sure it's entered correctly, then click on the login button to access your Todoist dashboard. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there's usually an option to reset it on the login page. After you successfully log in, you'll be directed to the Today view of Todoist. This is your main screen where tasks scheduled for the current day are displayed. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to use the Today view as our starting point. Now, suppose you've got a task in your Today view that belongs to a project you wish to delete. First, click on Today to ensure you are indeed viewing the task scheduled for the current day. Locate the task related to the project you want to remove. We'll use this task to navigate to the project details. Click on any task you wish to delete. This action opens the task's details panel. You will see various options for managing the task, including setting a priority, adding comments, and more. To proceed with deleting the project, look for the three dots or the More Options menu. This small icon holds additional task actions. Clicking on the three dots will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Here, look for the Delete option. It's crucial to be certain that you want to delete the task, as this action is irreversible. Clicking Delete removes the task from your list, but remember, our goal is to delete the entire project, not just a single task. The option to delete the entire project might not be directly accessible from the task view. If you've navigated to the project through the task details, you may need to access the project's main page to find project-specific settings. Usually, you can click on the project's name at the top of your task view to switch to the project overview. From the project overview page, look for the project settings. You might find it next to the project's name, or within a similar More Options menu depending on Todoist's current layout. Once you find it, click on it to view more options related to project management. Within the project settings or options, find and select Delete Project. This action is significant. It will not only remove a single task but the entire project, along with all tasks contained within it. Todoist will typically ask you to confirm this action since it's irreversible and implies that all tasks within the project will be permanently deleted. Confirm your intention by selecting Delete again when prompted. This final step removes the project and its tasks from your Todoist, helping you declutter your task list and focus area. Remember, deleting a project should be done with consideration. It's an irreversible action that removes all tasks associated with that project. Always ensure that the project is indeed no longer needed before proceeding with deletion. There you have it, a straightforward guide on how to delete a project in Todoist. This process can help maintain a clean, organized task list, allowing you to focus on what's truly important. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider exploring more tips to enhance your productivity with Todoist. Stick around for more insights and walkthroughs to make the most out of your task management experience.